Okay, now we're on to questions 10 and 11 on the review, the exam 1 review. Questions 10 and 11 are pretty similar. Okay, let's look at question 10. It tells us the probability of event X happening is 0.3. Okay, so let's make a note of that. If this works, probability of X is 0.3, and the probability of event Y occurring is 0.2. So the probability of Y is 0.2. The chance of both events happening is 0.1. So both, that means event X and event Y. Okay, so the chance of both events happening is 0.1. Then it tells us find the probability that either event X or event Y happens. So it's asking for the probability of X or Y. Okay? So we know that or means plus. Okay, so we're going to add probability of X plus probability of Y. Okay, and then because they're not mutually exclusive events, they have some shared outcomes, yeah? They can both happen at the same time. So they're not mutually exclusive, yeah? That's what we know from this little bit of information. That looks very messy. Not mutually exclusive. So we've got to subtract probability of X and Y, okay? So then it's just a matter of slotting in the probabilities in the formula. So we have 0.3 plus 0.2 minus 0.1. And that is going to give us a final answer of 0.4. Okay? Let's go on and do number 11. Number 11 is very similar to number 10. So, you know, you have to read the whole problem. Okay, a lot of you are just picking out various words, and that's going to mess you up. So let's go ahead and read the problem. Within a given population, 34% of the people are Muslim. So let's jot that down. Where should I write it? I'll write it here. Probability of Muslim is 0.34. And it tells us 68% of the people are females. So probability of female is 68%, or 0.68. And then it tells us 14% are females who are Muslim. Females who are Muslim. So that means the probability of female and Muslim is 0.14. Then we're asked if a person is chosen at random from the population, what's the probability this selected person is either a Muslim or a female? Okay, so what it's asking for the probability of Muslim or female. Okay? So we know that or means plus. So this is going to be probability of Muslim plus probability of female. Okay? Now, because of this, there are some females who are Muslim. So the event Muslim and the event female are not mutually exclusive. Okay? There is some shared probability. And we know that from this. Not mutually exclusive. So what that means is we've got to subtract out the shared probability. So we'll take probability of Muslim plus probability of female, and we're going to subtract the probability of Muslim and female. Okay, so just like the question 10, now it's just a matter of slotting in our probabilities. So probability of Muslim is 0.34. Probability of female is 0.68. And probability of Muslim and female is 0.14. Okay. And if we work that out, on our calculators, it's going to give us 0.88. The final answer. Okay, so that's question 10 and 11 for our review sheet.